it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a cute statement earring using these beads here below on my mat? We'll be using check glass from the Softflex live sale that I've made a claim on, and I will leave a link down below in the description for their fantastic live sales. I'm also using these adorable periwinkle color or light lavender color um, riolettes, and these were from the sold out Softflex design kit in Turtle Love. That kit was absolutely fantastic, and I made so many wonderful projects with it. I will leave a link down below for my Turtle Love playlist if you want to see some of the creations that I made. Then I'm using this little flower here I had left over from another project, and we are making these adorable little earrings. And of course, I'm using soft flex wire, beautiful purple amethyst color. You only need about 6 to 7 inches for this earring. And a head pin, a jump ring, and one 2x2 and your ear wire. Let's start creating. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. We're going to slide on our little flower bead onto our head pin. And I will be using a one-step looper. So we're going to slide our little flower bead. We don't want it right up to the tool. It's going to cause it to chip. Just going to give it a little bit of room and give it a squeeze. And it's going to give us a perfect loop. And you can make a wrapped loop if you want to. So we're just going to set that to the side. We are going to take our Softflex wire in purple amethyst, and we're just going to start to slide on our beads. And we're going to alternate between this check glass, and it's almost like an opal, or like a pearlized color, and these beautiful purple brilliants from the bead mix of Turtle Live. So I'm just going to slide those on. So we have all of our beads added on. We're going to slide on our 2x2, and then we're going to crisscross back through our 2x2. So it should look like that. Then we're just going to give it a pull. And don't worry if you have a lot of soft flex wire left over on one side. We can always trim it and we'll save it for another project. And then this little bit here, I'm going to use as just my tail so I can hold on to it while I make my loop. So now we're going to take our longer side of soft flex wire and pass back through our 2x2. So now we'll just make a few adjustments. Make sure that the beads are nice and tight and secure, and that our loop on the top where we are going to attach our ear finding is the same size. Once we have it the size that we want, we're just going to take our pliers and give it a little smash on our 2x2. We're going to rotate, and this is just going to give it a more professional finish. And we have our beautiful little earring component. We take our nippers. We're just going to trim off any extra soft flex wire, being careful not to cut off our loop. So we're going to take our 6mm jump ring and slide it over our 2x2 that we just smashed and give the jump ring a close. You should hear like a little click and you'll know it's secure. We're just going to attach on our ear wire and close up our ear wire. And we have beautiful floral earrings using soft flex wire in the beautiful purple amethyst color and beads from my collection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You will be notified when there is more content uploaded. Have a great day.